Hello guys, and welcome to this new video. My name is Edgar. Now today I will talk to you about the third conditional, okay? This is something that many of you have been asking me about, and today I'm ready to make a video. So the third conditional, when do we use the third conditional? Well guys, the third conditional, it is to be used to talk about a situation in the past that never happened, it never took place, and to imagine what would have been the result if this situation had taken place, okay? It sounds difficult, but it really isn't, okay? First thing we need to understand and to have clear is the grammar, okay? So first of all, guys, we're going to use in the if clause, we're going to use if plus the past perfect, okay? And then in the main clause, we're going to use would plus have plus the past participle, okay? So let me give you a few examples. Okay, let's analyze this one. If she had studied, she would have passed the exam. But clearly this person didn't study, so she didn't pass. But if she had studied, she would have passed the exam, okay? Let's take a look at another example, okay? If I hadn't eaten so much, I wouldn't have felt sick, okay? This is a good example, actually. And then let me give you one more example. If we had taken a taxi, we wouldn't have lost the plane. Okay guys, so there you go. That is the third conditional, okay? Many people think that it's something perhaps complicated or too difficult to understand, but it really isn't, okay? The most important thing and the best advice I can give you is that you need to understand the grammar, okay, the structure, and then you must know when it is right to use it. That's it, guys. If you have these 2 points clear, you will never ever make any mistakes. Okay guys, so feel free to send me any requests on anything you would like me to talk about, and I will be more than happy to make a video about that, okay? So guys, take it easy, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.